All right, hey, my name's Haley. This is my Kawasaki Ninja 300. I bought this bike 3 years ago just to learn the road. I've been riding my whole life off-road, but so when I bought this bike, originally the color from the factory is green. The person before me decided they wanted to change the color with a rattle can. A lot of work. We stripped the whole bike, paint, wheels, all that. My dad painted it, custom pearl white, 3-stage. He did the blackest he could find. Custom rear fender, a few other small things, but I don't know if I said, this is my first year at this show. I've done other shows, but just wanted to get a feel for the community. I'm getting to know different people, so thank you for the people who are running this. This is a great opportunity. I love that. Just a nice experience, I think. A lot of cool people, a lot of nice energy. The love for the motorcycles, you all get to share. That's awesome. I love that. And that's kind of it. Just a nice love for motorcycles and riding and